Unit 4. Once I saw a little bird. Sing and enjoy this poem. Once I saw a little bird come hop, hop, hop. I cried, little bird, will you stop, stop, stop? I was going to the window to say, how do you do? But he shook his little tail and away he flew. New words: bird, hop, stop, tail, window. Let's read. The bird flies out of the window. We must stop cutting trees. Reading is fun. What did the child see? Comment this. What was the little bird doing? Comment this. Let's talk. Do you see any birds around your school or your house? Comment this. Have you tried talking to them? Comment this. Let's do. Join the letter from A to Z. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. This is a peacock. Trace over the dotted line and letters. Now color the stars. M N P Q T. Say this word aloud and talk about the picture. Then tick the right color. Roof, door, windows, walls, floor, plants, dustbin. The roof is pink or blue? Comment this. Pink. The walls are yellow or red? Comment this. Yellow. The windows are green or brown? Comment this. Brown. The door is blue or grey? Comment this. Blue. The dustbin is pink or green? Comment this. Pink. The plants are green or orange? Comment this. Green. The floor is grey or brown? Comment this. Grey.